Here's how to check if your router has UPnP on or off. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the main settings of your phone and copy your router number. Afterwards, paste on your router number to the Safari, Chrome, or Google so that you will be redirected on the page where you have to sign in to your router number. Now put on your username as well as the password and click on the login options. Make sure that the password that you're going to input is correct for you to be able to avoid any complications. Now, the thing is, you have to input the admin on the username, input admin number 2 on the password, and click login. Afterwards, what you need to do is go to the advanced settings, and then once you're already on the advanced settings, you'll be able to see there an option where there is already a UPnP. So if you want to turn it on, click on enable. If you want to turn it off, click on disable.